Presenting the HUAWEI Watch GT2E, an ultra-slim sports watch. It is available in graphite black, mint green and lava red color variants. The watch is also available with a black or red wireless headset variant. The durable stainless steel frame of the watch is paired with the colorful fitness straps for a comfortable grip. The watch features a 1.39-inch AMOLED HD display with ALS ambient light monitoring for automatic screen brightness adjustment. It features a water resistance rating of up to 50 meters. The smartwatch gives a battery life of up to 2 weeks. HUAWEI Watch GT2E comes with 85 custom workout modes and 15 professional workout modes with automatic workout detection feature. It also comes with other integrated smart features such as HUAWEI True Sleep, real-time heart rate monitoring, and HUAWEI True Relax. It supports both GPS and GLONASS positioning systems for accurate route tracking during outdoor workouts. Get instant notifications for calls, messages, and social media apps on the smartwatch. Store up to 500 songs on the watch and play directly from it by connecting it with Bluetooth earphones. The smartwatch acts as a remote shutter of your phone to help you click pictures easily. HUAWEI Watch GT2E supports SpO2 level measuring, helping you detect the level of oxygen in the blood. Inside the box you will find HUAWEI Watch GT2E Sport, charging dock, charging cable, warranty card and quick start guide, and safety information. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.